हेलो एवरीवन। आज हम बात करेंगे हमारी नेक्स्ट मेडिसिन के बारे में विच इज अमोनियम यूरियाटिकम। बेसिकली अमोनियम यूर का जो कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन होगा बहुत ही मतलब अनयूजुअल अपीयरेंस होगा, लाइक लेमन ऑन स्टिक अपीयरेंस, विच मीन्स जो इंटायर बॉडी होगी दैट विल बी फ्लैबी एंड फैट बट द एक्सट्रीमिटीज विल बी टू थिन. So there is a lemon on stick appearance. The whole body appears fat and sluggish. There will be slowness, the body will be flabby, but the extremity, especially the legs, will be too thin. Now coming to the physical generals, सबसे मेजर जो कंप्लेन होती है अमोनियम म्यूर में दैट इज कॉन्स्टिपेशन. कॉन्स्टिपेशन होगा, बहुत हार्ड मोशन होगा, हार्ड स्टूल्स होंगे which require great straining to pass. So due to constipation, there will be hemorrhoids also, and these hemorrhoids, these piles, usually appear after suppressed leukorrhea. So after the hemorrhoids, there will be burning and stitching pain in the rectum after motion. Okay, and the constipation will be obstinate with great flatulence. There will be great straining to pass the motion, and also the stools will crumble from the verge of anus, and there will be different type of stools, no two stools alike. There will be changeable color in the stools. Due to extreme constipation, there is hemorrhoids. So because of hemorrhoids also, there is huge complaint and there is difficulty in passing the motion. Next are the complaints of female genitalia. So first of all, we are going to discuss about the leukorrhea. So leukorrhea will be like white of an egg. So this thing we have to remember. The leukorrhea will be like white of an egg, and the leukorrhea of ammonium mure is aggravated after every micturition. So mostly after micturition there will be leukorrhea, and the leukorrhea will be brown in color, it will be slimy with gripping pain in the navel. So with the leukorrhea there is pain felt in the navel, pain felt in the umbilical region, and the menses will be accompanied with diarrhea as well as vomiting. So there will be a lot of complaint of indigestion, gastric complaints will be more during the time of menses, and the menses will be too copious at night. So